Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play in the Thailand server on your League of Legends. So at first, just launch your game to the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at your right top for the option store, and as you see it, just click it to open the store page at first. And as you view the store page, again look at your right top for this option right here, account, and just select this. And as you select it, you can see the list of servers right here. So all you have to do is just scroll down to look for the Thailand server. And as you see it, you have to buy it using your RP points. So if you don't have the RP point, you can just top up the RP point and play it in the Thailand server. So guys, that's how you play in the Thailand server on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos, and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.